Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. I will show you how to fix Pinterest account suspended and get it reinstated. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Pinterest Reactivate account. Over here, open the first link from the search results. After that, you will be directed to the Pinterest Help Center. Then scroll down and click on the Contact Us button. Over here, add your basic details, including your name, username, email address, and other required information. Then make sure to enter accurate information. Over here, click on the Continue button. After that, add a subject and description of your suspended account problem. Then click on Continue. Now add details about your device and browser. After that, select the option if you received an error message. Finally, click on Submit. Over here, your application will be submitted and your account will be reactivated soon. And that wraps it up. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.